Hey, it's AP, and today I'm fixing my toilet. Check it out. Does your toilet flapper look like this?
Gross!
Well, if so, it's time to change it. This thing is disgusting looking. It looks like a sponge that was left in the water for like 20 years and it just kind of started to deteriorate. I don't know how that happened, but yeah, this is bad. The flapper deteriorating like that is a bad thing for a couple reasons. Primarily though, the fact that water can start seeping down into the drain pipe, and that's just a waste of water, it's a waste of money. So we need to take care of that because, as my wife would say, a leaky faucet is bad feng shui. I don't know, she's into feng shui. This is a very easy process and it does not need a plumber. You can do this yourself. It costs a couple of bucks and like a minute of your time. So first you're going to need a new flapper. I picked this one up. This is actually a genuine Toto flapper. It's a 3-inch flapper. I have a Toto toilet, so I figured the price difference between this and a universal 3-inch flapper was about $3 or $4. So I was like, well, I'm just gonna go with the genuine Toto part. But you can find a Corky, which is way cheaper. And typically, the flapper is 2 inches. About 80% of toilets in the United States are a 2-inch flapper, but for some reason I have a 3-inch flapper. It's like a mega flush. But before you go and pick one up, just check the size of your flapper. If it's small, like the size of a softball, then it's going to be a 3-inch. If it's the size of a baseball, then it's going to be a 2-inch flapper. That's a kind of a good rule of thumb. And once you pick those up, or pick that up, come on home and get into your toilet. I'm going to show you how to do this. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is turn off the water. And on almost all toilets, there's going to be a knob behind the toilet. You just turn that to the right, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. That will turn off the water. And then we flush the toilet. And let all the water drain out. And as you can hear, it is not refilling. So now we can fill up or remove the lid and get in there. Look at that thing, that's disgusting. So first we're going to unhook the chain from the arm. And then this just, ew, it feels so gross. Ah, it just clips off. I don't know if you can see that. There's this little white clip here. There's one on each side, and this just kind of pops on over it. And this is so deteriorated. This must be 30 years old. That is disgusting. Okay, and don't worry about the water in here. It's actually very clean water, to be honest with you. So we're gonna put this aside. Ew, yeah, it's just falling apart. All right. Now we're going to take our new flapper. Oh. Now what's great about this one is that it'll just clip on to the arms. If you pick up a Corky one, it'll slide on to these arms here, but this one's really easy to work with. So it just snaps, pop, pop, lid is closed. And I'm going to hook it with minimal slack. So as you can see, I'm right about here. So let's undo this. Now, this is kind of hard to see, but you don't want you don't want this too tight, you don't want this too slack. So I'm gonna do it so it just kind of dangles a little bit, counting in the dimension, the length of the hook. So I think I'm about here. And so let's click that in to place. Now we can clip this on. How do I look? All right, so now let's turn on the water. And as you can see, there's a fill line right here. And so we don't want it to go past that. Yahtzee. I don't hear any noises. I'm going to flush. There's a nice easy flush. There we go. And now we just put on our lid and call it good. And there you have it. I have a new flapper. It's not deteriorating anymore. The water isn't seeping in underneath it and costing me money every month in a increased water bill. So I call this a win. Super simple fix. You can absolutely do it yourself. Why pay somebody else? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who's suffering from the flapper blues. The toilet flapper blues. I don't know what that is. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you a thing, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it. If you liked this Fix It video, well, check out my Make It videos over at Made by AP. I make everything from furniture to props to models to all kinds of crazy good stuff. So go ahead and check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.